All right, let's just jump right in. I want you to forget everything you think you know about math. Seriously, because we're about to explore Concord, a world where numbers aren't just symbols on a page, they're the literal fabric of reality. They're in the wind, the fire, the very ground you walk on. Every single heartbeat sends numerical pulses through your veins. The wind carries these, like, recursive harmonies. This isn't just a cool metaphor. In Concord, it's a fundamental law of physics. It's just how things work. And here's the thing. In this world, you are something special. You're a number born. See, most people in Concord, they're bound to just one mathematical operation for their entire lives. But you have this incredibly rare gift to command all four: addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. This isn't just some neat trick. It's your destiny. So our journey is going to start in the Emberlow Expanse, a land literally forged by fire, where the one true rule is multiplication. This place is the home turf of House Fireheart, who are the masters of multiplication. And you can see why. It's this beautiful but incredibly dangerous landscape of volcanic ridges and razor-sharp obsidian. The entire place just pulses with seismic energy. It's in this constant cycle of destruction and renewal, all driven by that one single mathematical force. And this phrase says it all. This is the philosophy of Emberlow. Power here isn't about just adding one more thing. No, it's about exponential growth. It's about taking one tiny spark and multiplying it into a raging inferno. And you can see how life has adapted. It's amazing. Life here doesn't just put up with the fire, it needs it. Take the bleeze brush. Its seeds literally won't even sprout without being exposed to extreme flame. Or the decimal heat surges, where you have all these species spawning or blooming in these perfect 10-degree intervals. This isn't chaos. It's multiplication as a force of nature, creating these huge cyclical bursts of life. The creatures themselves have multiplication basically written into their DNA. You've got the lava prowler, which goes dormant during the worst eruptions, only to come back even stronger. In the ash cloaks, they work in these perfectly timed rotating shifts to deal with the insane heat. They get it. They know that destruction isn't the end. It's just a necessary step in the cycle of growth and renewal. Okay, so from the fiery chaos of Emberlow, we're now going to travel to the complete opposite, the stark, quiet precision of Etheria. This is the domain of subtraction, and believe me, the contrast is jarring. In the territory of House Etheria, the entire philosophy is flipped on its head. Power isn't about what you can add or multiply. It's all about what you can elegantly remove. It's about clarity, discipline, and finding immense strength in reduction. I mean, just look at how life here has mastered this idea of less is more. The spiral aloe grows in these perfect fractal patterns, and each tiny cell holds a precise fraction of water to minimize any waste. Then you have the mirror thorn bramble. It projects illusions of itself, literally subtracting the real plant from a predator's sight. It's a world built on angles, illusions, and absolute precision. And this table just lays it all out, doesn't it? In Etheria, subtraction has nothing to do with weakness. It's all about tactical efficiency. These creatures succeed by cutting away everything that's unnecessary, every single wasted movement, every flawed angle. It's brilliant. So we've seen multiplication's explosive, fiery growth, and we've seen subtraction's cold, calculated precision. But these two opposing forces, they're just two pieces of a much larger puzzle, a world of living numbers that you, as a number-born, are uniquely built to understand. And this, right here, is the biggest difference. In our world, math is abstract. It's symbols on a page. But in Concord, it's a living, breathing, tangible force. It's a power that doesn't just describe reality, it actively builds it. And because you're a number-born, this whole world, it responds to you. Beyond the lands we've seen, there are domains ruled by the steady symmetry of addition, or the logical, tricky illusions of division. You have the potential to understand and command the logic behind all of them, to combine these forces in ways nobody else can even dream of. Heck, even the things that terrify most people in Concord are just tools for you. Fractions, for example, they're seen as these dangerous, broken divisions, and people whisper about decimals, these points that split numbers into impossible, terrifying infinities. But for you, for a number born, they're not scary. They're a badge of courage, They're a symbol of your unique power. Look, this is a world that runs on understanding. The more you learn, the more powerful you become. In a reality where every single action is a calculation, the only real question left is the one you see right here. What destiny will you choose to solve for?